Now let me show you how to create a PDF using Roofgraf. It's actually pretty simple. You can simply click on any project, or you can create a new project. But in this case, let's just go into an old project. You simply open the proposal, you scroll at the bottom, and here you have a beautiful download button. This will create a beautiful PDF with your logo and all your information, all the statement of work, the terms and conditions, and if ever there's any roof condition pictures, they will be also showing up onto that PDF. Now, remember, it's that button right here. Here I'm going to show you how to actually create a quote and even a PDF, as well as a bill of material from just one address. So let's say I get this lead. This guy wants to change his roof. Now I go, I'll draw, I'll go after the roof lines. I usually have the habit of doing all the external lines first and then the internal lines after. It makes the whole drawing procedure actually much easier. Once I have all the lines, I simply need to label my lines. So click on eaves. There you go. I click on hip. There you go. And there's my ridge right here. This is actually a 612 pitch, not a 412 pitch. So I'll apply to all. It will adjust my total square feet and as well as my labor price because it's a square per pitch. Now here, if ever I need to adjust some stuff, I just go ahead. I'll need 5 lengths of flashing here. I save. All of that is already preloaded into my template. I'll need 2 cans of sealant. I know I don't have any more of those. So, and you know what? I'll just bring up the margin for this project. You never know what can happen. I'll put it at 40%, save. And now if I have any roof pictures, I can add them here. Client information. Here I have the quote that's ready. That's the e-sign if ever you want to make them sign on the spot and agree to your terms and conditions. But here I'm going to go with the PDF. Click on a big blue button. Here I have the beautiful PDF quote proposal that's ready to be signed on the spot. Now, here, I'm going to show you that if ever you only love to print and don't want to use the e-sign, you always need to change the status of the job at 1 in order to create the bill of materials. And there you have all the quantities that you can edit if you want to include or not include that into your PDF bill of materials. But here I can send that to my supplier for this job. They will know exactly what I need. And remember, you always need to set it at 1. Now here, I'm going to send it as scheduled. And now what's cool is that at the top I have all the statuses so I can filter them out. This one is scheduled so I can move to the next step. And it's very easy like that to use Roofgraf.